Hello, this is Cyberdragon. Today I'm going to talk about MCT Federal Credit Union. What it is which stands for Montgomery County Teachers Federal Credit Union. It's the same as a bank, but they offer a little bit things different. What they offer is free savings and checking account, free online account access, free ATM use until your age of 23 in their network, only in their network. Inexpensive car loans, college loans. If a minimum deposit is $5, so they'll match the first 50 accounts. So instead of $5, you get $10. The bank is located. This is one for the school branch, but you have to the closest they have. It's only in the state of Maryland, but they maybe have other states as well since they expanded. You make deposits and withdrawals $20 per day from max from your account if you're in a school setting. In a regular credit union, you can withdraw as much as you want, but the limit is maybe like under $5,000. But it falls a little bit different from a bank structure, but it's still regulated by the bank. Okay. And the services are free, no ATM fees, any other bank locations until your age 23. Right now I'm going to show you the marketing video that I created for it. Let me just pull out this. Okay, see if you can hear the audio. Some things. So it's like the video's a little bit old. Give me a sec. Okay, the video is gonna load. Since it doesn't play on my computer, I'll have to try it on the DVD player. Take about a few seconds to load. It should be playing. It's an automatic replay on its own. Camera's a little shaky since it was on a video cam. It's very loud.
This staircase, go all the way down, and then take a right, and then take a reach forward, take a left, and then take a left, and then find it. Wait, cut out this one. Cut out this one. Sir.
How does this bank system work?
Interesting. I'd like to open an account here.
Oh, you can just fill out this general information right here?
I'm not finished. I want to open an account for $1,000.
So it's $5 to open up an account. So you just fill out this information right here.
I need advice from someone. I'll go to open it.
Okay, so here you go. You can fill this information out right here with your $5.
Okay.
So you gotta fill that.
Sir, you gotta fill out this. Oh, here you go, my fault.
Thank you.
Is there anything else you need, sir?
That's it.
Thank you.
And that's it for the video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video to everyone.